Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Tenny's Tool Review. I think I have already done a video on the compression tester. I don't think I did one on the leak down tester, but if I didn't, I'm going to do one anyways. Keep everyone updated. I bought this leak down tester because I had a Harbor Freight one, and it sucked. I don't remember exactly why I hated it, but it sucked. So it was a piece of junk. Had a crappy regulator. I don't remember if both of the gauges worked. Same thing with this one though. For some reason it came with one of these hoses with an adapter. I never used that. As you can see, all the Teflon tape is on it. That's because I probably got it stuck in an engine at one point, and that was really annoying. I always use these ones that come with the compression tester. Compression tester number is right here. EEPV 500. I'm not sure if all of these came with it. They might have not. You might have got them separate. Usually comes with a Schrader valve and seal kit. This definitely did not come with it. This is extra. This is like a fits everything air truck kind of deal. We leave that in there if we got to replace valve seals or springs or anything valve related and we're not taking the engine apart. There are some other options here. I guess they have a vacuum gauge. This is the leak tester that I have, the EEPV 509. Yeah, they got a couple different options. Obviously, here's the oil pressure, it's transmission and engine pressure, and then there's this 3. So this kit came with the rubber hoses, and then they got these 3 hard ones afterwards. I don't really need these, but they are nice on 4-cylinder engines. I've used other compression testers. I've used the Harbor Freight compression testers, the older ones. I haven't used any newer ones. They kind of suck too. But these ones are tried and true. So I don't want to be a Snap-on fanboy, but their gauges are the best by far. I have not found one that hasn't. So, and I've used a lot of gauges and all different kinds. So I would highly recommend these for anyone who's in the business. If you're a DIYer, maybe get something cheaper. There are cheaper options out there, especially if you're not going to be doing it all the time. Maybe buy a set, the Harbor Freight one that'll work at least once, but don't expect miracles because I don't know. Just in the gauge department, if you don't spend the money, it seems like you just get a piece of crap. So I'd like to thank you for watching. I'll leave in the comments. I got a merch store, like I said before, cheapest things like $2. So if you want to support the channel and you don't want to spend a lot of money, it doesn't cost a lot of money.